Okay, so you're welcome once again on this platform. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to fix Instagram not working problem. So what you have to do is to go to your phone menu, and what you have to do is to search for your phone settings. So you tap on the phone settings. So what you have to do next is to tap on the app and notifications. So when I tap on the app and notification, what I have to do next is to wait for it to load. And after loading, what you're going to see is see all apps. So you tap on the see all apps. So when I tap on it, it's going to load again. And when it starts to load and it gets to this point, you are going to see app info and you're going to see all your apps over here. So if you want to fix Instagram not working or Instagram not opening, this is what you have to do. So you scroll and search for your Instagram, then you tap on the Instagram app. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on the storage and cache, then tap on the clear cache to clear the cache, and tap on the clear storage. Then after that, you tap on OK to clear the storage and cache. After that, tap on the force stop over here, then you tap on OK. After that, what you have to do is to tap on the permissions, then you have to allow every permissions over here for your Instagram app. So you have to allow every permissions over here, allow everything. So as you can see, I've allowed everything. After doing that, you go back, then you tap on mobile network, mobile data and Wi-Fi, then make sure the background data is turned on. After that, you go back, then you tap on notifications, then you also make sure all notifications are on. So we have Instagram Direct, which is request, Instagram Direct video chat. You have to what? Make sure everything is on over here. So after that, what you have to do is to go back to your phone menu, then you go to your phone menu. After that, you search for Play Store, then you tap on it, and what you have to do next is to search IG or Instagram. So when I type in IG, you're going to see Instagram. So what you have to do is to tap on it. So after tapping on it, where the rating open, you are going to see update. So when you see update over here, what you have to do is to tap on the update section to update itself. So when you get the latest update of the Instagram app, no problem is going to worry you with it, unless maybe they are updating their system again. So this is how to fix it. So after tapping on the update and updating it and reinstalling the Instagram app on your phone, what you have to do next is to tap on your power button for long. So when you tap on the power button for long, you're going to see restart, power off, and also airplane mode. So you tap on the restart, or if you can't find restart, you're going to see reboot. So when you find the reboot, then you just tap on it, then you tap on OK to rebuild it. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video with your friends.